Hi, it's Mark and Avi here again for a 10-minute in-between meeting meditation. This is perfect for everyone that's dealing with some virtual meeting fatigue. It's for our 9-to-5ers, the people that are sitting most of the day. This is going to give you an opportunity to recharge, relax in between meetings, and potentially energize yourself for a presentation or perhaps just another meeting. So right now, what we're going to do is we're going to start with just a quick body scan. So we have Mark here seated, feet firmly planted into the ground, hands nice and relaxed, sitting up nice and straight. And what we're going to do is we're just going to take a moment and we're going to scan from bottom to top here, focusing on the toes, the bottom of the feet, the heels, the ankles, working our way up. And in these body scans, what we're doing as well as we're checking in on our breath. We're noticing where our breathing is at. If you're like me, you're probably over-caffeinated right now. That has a direct effect on how you're breathing. So right now, in a non-judgmental, non-critical way, I want you to notice, are your breaths easy? Are they calm? Are they deep? Are they shallow and stuck in the chest? Do you feel like you could go a bit deeper on your inhales? Quick rule of thumb too, it's the exhale that actually calms you down. So if you're ever feeling stuck on your breathing and you feel like you're getting a little panicky or tight, focus on a long, slow, or even a sighing or emphatic exhale to really bring you back down to earth. So right now, what we're gonna do from here is we're gonna go into an eye tracking exercise. So what this does is, for all of us that are looking down at our screens constantly, we're gonna focus on first looking up, both eyes up to the ceiling, second, eyes down to the floor, second, third, left with the eyes, and then fourth, eyes to the right. This kind of gives us an opening in terms of our vision. Staring at the screens all day can cause a lot of stress to the nervous system. Even if we don't feel that way, it's actually sending signals to our body to be in a more alert stress state. So hopefully these exercises can help down-regulate you for the rest of your day. So from here, we're going to go into some nice, easy neck rotations. So Mark here is going to demonstrate. Just go ahead and roll the head around, nice circular motions, easy, steady. And if Mark finds a spot here, or you find a spot at home that feels particularly tight, go ahead and spend a little bit more time here. And I definitely recommend going slow and easy here. When you're staring down for hours on end, you're more likely to maybe injure or hurt yourself if you move too quickly here. So just take a moment, continue to focus on your breathing, continue to allow yourself to relax into the rotations. And then as Mark's doing, just slowly reverse the rotation, going the other way. And if you want to get a little bit deeper into it, you can also do this stretch right here. Let's go ahead and put our right hand on our left collar. And let's go ahead and look over our right shoulder. So go ahead and look over the right shoulder. You can put your head up and down and just start to tilt a little bit and start to feel into the areas that might be a little bit more tense. And let's go ahead and do it the other way, Mark. So let's go ahead and put our left hand, right collarbone, exactly, looking over the left shoulder, breathing into it, starting to notice any tension, any tightness that's there. Perfect. Nice. So now we're going to just go back into our conscious breathing. So by that, we're going to notice where we're at. Mark's got his left hand on his belly, right hand over his chest. And you're just going to observe right here. Notice how you're breathing, if there's any tightness, any stuck or stale air in the diaphragm. Hours and hours of sitting hunched over at your desk, you can get a lot of stuck and stale air in your belly. So let's just focus right now on relaxing everything, emphasizing the exhales, calmly gliding through each breath, breathing both to the front and the back side. So you're breathing into your back, into your ribs as well, but also focusing on the diaphragm. Staying here, we're going to stay here for 3 more breaths. Easy, calm exhale, perfect. Nice and full inhale, belly, ribs, and chest. Calm, easy exhale. Last 2, slowest ones yet. I want you to really elongate this last exhale. Just kind of let it just spill out. Perfect. Last one, Mark. Full and easy. Hold here. Slowest exhale yet. Let it go, and we're going to hold here at the bottom. We're going to release the air, and we're going to hold our breath at the bottom, and we're just going to stay here for a moment. We're just going to allow ourselves to just fully relax. When our urge or our inclination from the body picks up with air hunger, it's a full inhale in. Whenever that moment comes, hold it. Another nice big stretch, hands over the head, open it up, lean back, lean to the sides, whatever feels good. Perfect. Nice, let it go. Now we're gonna move into some triangle breathing. So we're gonna go inhale, hold, exhale. So we're gonna go in for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In, nice and smooth and steady. Hold. Notice any areas of tension or tightness. Mark on the exhale. Drop the shoulders. Relax into the exhale. Perfect. In. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Easy exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Moving into box now. Let's go in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Scan the body. Check in. Any areas of tightness or tension. Relax everything on the exhale. Let it go. Hold at the bottom here. The holds at the bottom help to create more openings in the lungs, help to energize the system. Easy inhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big inhale, Mark. Let it go. Good. Let's go into a double nasal inhale now, twice through the nose. We're starting to energize. We're starting to activate for that next meeting, all the way in twice. Keep it going. Good. Good. Fully in twice. Emphasizing the inhale helps to energize the system. Your inhale brings you up, raises the heart rate, gets you going. Exhale helps to relax you. So we're sort of doubling up on both here. We've got the double nasal inhale that's bringing you up, exhaling through the mouth, helping to drop you down a little bit further. So a nice, almost flow state with this breathing exercise. Twice, easy, good. Nice and full. Let it go. Let's go one more here. And let's hold at the bottom. Hold. Go back to the body scan here. Go back and check in. Notice where you're at, what you're feeling. Is your body communicating anything with you? Is it telling you to stretch more? Is it telling you to move? Is it telling you to tap? Whatever urge or inclination you're getting, it's good to listen. We're so bogged down with our emails, with our work, our calendar invites. This is your time to tune in and listen. Big, full inhale all the way in. Hold it. Relax in the hold. Drop the shoulders. Relax the jaw. Again, tune into any areas of tension or tightness in the body. And on this next exhale, I want you to feel like your body is releasing any lingering tension. Perfect. So we'll go back to a body scan here. You're going to get into the most calm breathing pattern you can find naturally. It's almost minimal breathing at this state here. It's smooth, it's steady, it takes almost no energy, no force here. You're breathing calmly. If there's any other additional stretches that feel good to you, go ahead and do so. And let's take one more big double nasal inhale, twice through the nose. Big sigh on the exhale. Drop the shoulders. Let's tap it out. Left arm first. Tap the inside of the arm, the outside of the arm. Perfect. Let's go to the right arm, inside of the arm, outside of the arm. Let's go down to the belly. Let's tap the belly, the ribs, the chest, everything that feels good to you here. Just kind of notice any sort of sensations. Allow your body to fully relax here. Shake it out. Hopefully this gets you in the right frame of mind, physically, mentally, for your next meeting. Hope you feel nice and loose and the cognitive function is high. Please try this one out. Let us know what you think, and Mark and I will see you on the next one.